So I got this Graco Magnum Pro X17 right there, and I turn it on, and I, you know, what do you call it? Prime the pump, and no water's coming out. This hose, the prime one, and for when it's ready to paint, it's not coming out here. And I took the hose off, no water's coming out. So I went and bought some parts. I want to show you how I'm repairing it. So once again, I turn it on, beep, 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 nothing comes out. So this is how you do it right here. You lift this up, pull it up like that, and the pump just comes right on out. So there it is. See, I did that. I'll do it one more time here. Put your fingers like this, you know, pull like so it goes down. You want to pull these back, pull it back, and lift up, and it pops out like that. And then get a good look in there. So yeah, it actually just goes like that, right in there. Pops right in there like that, so it just comes out. Now I got two parts. I already went to the store. Behind this guy right here is a filter, okay? So I took this guy off, I think it's 3/4 or 1 inch. I took it off, and the filter was completely gone. So we took this out, I replaced the filter in there, and I think that's one of the main problems. I also bought this pump right here. See this guy right here? That's this main pump right here. And this guy, I got this part down here at the bottom. Right here at the bottom. This part was 90 bucks. This part was 90 bucks. Cost about 180 bucks. So I'm gonna replace this part. First of all, once I replace the filter, I'm gonna see if it starts working so I can just go return them. If not, I'm gonna replace one at a time to, you know, process elimination. Another thing we did is we took this guy out right here, cleaned it all out. And we got a new O-ring, got some new O-rings on them, lubed them up, put them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace, I think we should replace, let's just go ahead and test it real quick. So we'll be back to you guys in a second. All right, believe it or not, I didn't replace any of these the pumps or the piston or anything right here. All I did is I cleaned out this filter and I scrubbed some of the parts and I lubed the O-rings. And check it out now. Before it was nothing. This is it prime. So it's priming, it's getting ready. Now once it's enough coming out, right here. All right, now check it out. I need to go buy a new tip because this is, I haven't used this in years. Now look at it. So this thing's good to go. I just need to go get myself a tip. This is what I used to have. I'm an idiot. Look at this. Look at that. Crappy. So it's not working. I can't get it on. It's just fucked. But treat your tools nicely and they'll work forever. So I'm glad it worked out. I haven't used this in a long time. I'm glad it's working out good. So hope that helps, guys. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave a comment, subscribe, and go ahead and message me if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.